Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are at Sick Week 2026. Got the car all done up for the Sick Award. I've already done 250 miles in the car, left Panama City, went to pick up David in Tallahassee, and now we're in Gainesville, Florida at the first event. Yesterday was like the check-in, and then today is the first of the racing. So I'm gonna show y'all.
Yesterday, today's day one. They're starting. It's cold, so they're starting with the slower cars, and
Yep,
we're gonna be ready here in just a little while for some good stuff.
yeah, so we're gonna show y'all some cars out in the pits, cars on the track, and then we're gonna make our way all the way to Bradenton, to Orlando and Georgia and all that stuff. So take you along for the ride. Over here we have Rotson, and also have Blasphemy right here. Touring the pits, got Alex Taylor over there. We're about to head up to the stands and watch some stuff. We made it through the pits pretty good. There's a lot of stuff back there, but just kind of making it through kind of quick. Hit the stands, try to watch some racing. It's a good fun time. Here's a good view of the pits from up high in the stands. We came up here to watch some racing. They still working on the track some. They let the I think D-class cars just run. See, there's a 10.25 quarter mile right there. And then they're gonna have the faster cars coming up in a minute. So get you some video of that, but it's just a real cool place to be. All week's gonna be just like this.
Woo! You ready for that race car stuff, dude?
They're hitting the track. Had some problems on that one.
Yeah, something came apart about 1,000 feet.
Oh, Rotson? Roadkill Rotson.
Dude, did you see that? There's no chance this one just hold on because of the passenger.
No.
They look like wings. They flip them like that.
Yeah, they're terrible.
Yeah.
There's Blasphemy. First time I've ever seen this car run in person. Seen it on a bunch of roadkills. So we have a car here they say is a NHRA Pro Mod. So let's see what he can do. Said in testing the other day he went into the sand traps at the end, so
He had to pedal it and still did that.
Yeah. Soccer Mom, KSR Performance. 70.
He's limited to 750.
Almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This is what the staging lane is looking like. The radial tire class. Got a Supra, and basically everything else is Ford and Chevrolet. Got a Crown Vic lifted back there. Interested to see what that does. About time to get out of here. What is it, about 4 o'clock?
Yeah, 10 till 4.
Yep.
Look at them shadows. Any of the OGs remember what happened when we left here after going one time before?
Yeah. Well, we broke down. We actually have a drain line on the turbo. We need to put a gasket on real quick before we go. Drain line's leaking oil a little bit, getting on the little heat shield there, so we're going to change that out real quick and get out of here. Hopefully this little fellow will get it done. Let's see what that one looks like. It's stuck to the bottom of the turbo. Anyway, we'll get that fella in. Check-in spots here.
Brewing company.
About 50 miles out from the track.
Park up here to the right. The sun is killer right there.
Okay, so we just decided to stop here at the checkpoint. As you can see, a lot of cars stopped here. We had to take a picture, or actually just the racers have to take a picture up there by the brewing company. But just a lot to see here. We've got some crews doing videos, YouTubers, all kinds of stuff around here. Nice cars. This diesel truck right here is super fast. I think it went an 8 today. But fun trip. Y'all got to do this sometime. Good morning. We are now south of Valdosta, about to head to South Georgia Motorsports Park. This is where we stayed last night. We got the Valiant heating up right now, about to hit the road. Made it to the track, and this is our sick ward section right here. So we got parked, and they called C-Class radial tires, so we're gonna go up to the stands and watch that. We didn't get to watch those guys yesterday. There's our little Spit Shine sticker. So things have changed here since we've been here last. It's like there's only stands right there, and they're about to build new ones here where there used to be stands. I think a tornado hit this place a couple years ago, but there is stands on the other side of the track.
Our next hot rod sitting at the ready.
So a little different than what we're used to. Do a little
This is
spectating
Joe
here.
Agent. Joe and Carrie Agent. On the left-hand side, it's the last year for the build, 87 model. Right-hand side is the 3/4 ton pickup truck. It's an all-wheel drive pickup truck. Spectators standing in front of or near the tower, I need you to move, please. I have a vehicle that is going to be coming Palmer goes 10:53 at 129. He's running in the sickweek freaks class. That's a class designed for diesels and sub-8 cylinder hot rods.
Here's a view from the back of the track. So you got the staging lanes here. They're cleaning the track up right now, so there might be some condensation on the track, so they're making sure it's dry. Then over here you have all the pits. So South Georgia Motorsports Park. It's a good look at it. See the stands on the left side, and then I was showing you they're gonna build new stands over here. Sounds like Tom Bailey might have his car running. If you remember in the video from yesterday, he was working on it. Looks like Steve Morris is working on it. Chevy. It's a big block with twin turbos on board left side. Alex and Dennis would love nothing more than to do it for Groot, put down one more one and done lap, pack it up and start heading south. Alex pulls it up. Did not happen. And goes down to a 9:57 at 1:61, so not the number that she wanted, unfortunately, but yesterday is not going to do the job. Decided to come over to the other side where the spectator section is. A lot better view over here. No tent in the way. Fellow with that tent over there. So, sit up here and watch for a little while. We have all the fast cars coming up. Hopefully some good action for us.
Currently sits in the number 3 spot with a 503. Lane starts sitting in the number 1
That first round was only 8 miles, so we didn't get a time on the scoreboard. place.
Wiring and plumbing business.
Unlimited
It has
class.
a carbon throttle Chevy on board with twin 98mm turbos. And ran a 613.
Pin split.
Pin split.
All right, we are at our checkpoint for the night. We're in Thomasville, Georgia. This is a pin and split bowling alley. Got a car coming in there. You can see racers behind us, sick ward people, and also just spectators that stop by. On the road coming over, and actually just on the whole trip though, there's just people on the side of the road waiting, knowing the routes, and it's just cool. People sitting by waiting and waving as you go by. So real cool. Here's a nice car here. And we're gonna head to David's house, and that's gonna be the end of our day today. See you in a little bit. I appreciate you guys joining us on this adventure. This is me and David's second time doing Sick Week in the Sick Ward. You don't always have to be racing to have a good time. Get your buddy, grab your car, come do this 1,000-mile trip. It's fantastic. Hope you guys enjoyed this and just bringing you along to show you something that we really enjoy and hopefully something you can do in the future. See you guys next time.